going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm gonna show you a quick cash out. But first, before that, I'm gonna show you how I do this survey on these sites. This is how I do it all the time. You see here, I have $25.38 in my account. One of my favorite sites. I mean, it's probably one of my slowest earners, but it's like it's a guaranteed income every time you come in this site. Whenever you have a survey, you will qualify for it. You know what I'm saying? This isn't one of those survey sites where it's like, you take the survey and 1 or 2 minutes in, they disqualify you. Every time you see a survey, you will be able to complete it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a survey. I'm going to actually do this survey right here in front of you. It's going to be a minimum of 10 cents, and they don't take that long at all. I'm going to go through it. Like I said, it's going to be less than like 5 minutes for me to do this survey. So I'm going to click on survey waiting, and it's probably going to be like 10, 11 questions, something like that. So I'll just show you real quick how this is going to go. And like I said, you're never going to disqualify for this survey. I mean, every time you see one, you will get it. It's just that easy. So I'm just showing you basically anything. This isn't like, I'm trying to go through this just so you don't have to wait so long for me to finish the survey. So I'm just kind of giving out random answers. But I will tell you on this site, you have what is it, your demographics. So you want to make sure that your demographics are always lining up with your answers, because if you don't, then your trait score will go down. And the highest trait score you can have on this site is 10,000, which is what I have. The more surveys you do when you first start out, the higher your survey, your trait score will go up. And then once it's up, I mean, you'll be getting surveys left and right. You'll be getting 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? You just got to check back periodically through the surveys on here. But I'm just about done with it. I'm on question 9. Like I said, it's usually about 11, 12 questions, something like that. So I mean, some of these I probably answered wrong, but it really doesn't matter, because for one, I'm trying to show you guys how this works, and then two, it's just I know I'm not going to disqualify for it. So that's what's really cool about it. And we're getting close to the end. Go next. Okay, 13 questions, not really tripping though. No, supposed to, because usually you don't have a lot of questions, and it's easy to do. Click on next. Like I said, sometimes they're a little longer. I mean, it's usually 10, 11, 12 questions, but since my trait score is so high, I mean, a lot of times they'll just give me so many surveys, and some of them be 10, 12, and some of them might be a little longer. But as you'll see as I get closer to the end, that this survey is actually going to bring me into another survey. So you see here, I have as you answer more and more questions, it'll show you this timer right here. That means basically when this survey will be over. So 12 minutes. So you see here, it is 5:15 in the morning. So basically they're saying I'll be done by 5:27. So basically I'm just going to answer these questions, kind of fast. And I'll pause the video just so you can see that I'm actually going to get done way before 5:27. So let me do that real quick. All right, so you see there, I completed the survey. I got 50 cents for doing that, and it's 5:20. So that took me 5 minutes. Not difficult at all. I have another survey waiting for me. I can do that one as well. Like I said, you're going to qualify. It doesn't matter what survey it is. You're not going to get disqualified. So let that really sink in. Every survey you get on here, you're going to qualify for. You're going to be able to take. You never have to worry about disqualifications on this survey site. So that's why I really love it. Like I said, every survey is a minimum of 10 cents. Those 10-cent surveys, those are the ones that are 10 to 12 questions. But sometimes, when you're answering questions, they'll throw you into another survey. And whenever they throw you into another survey and you see the timer at the bottom, like you saw in this video, that means that particular survey is going to pay you more than 10 cents. It just depends on what they're offering. But it's usually, anywhere upwards of 30 cents. I think that's the lowest I've ever gotten on a survey I got kicked into, was like a 30 cent. And I think the highest was like, maybe $3 and I think 13 cents one time. But I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to cash out real quick. So to do that, I'm going to go over to my dashboard up here. I could do that survey, but like for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep it moving. And you see here the options that you have for cashing out. You have PayPal, you have Amazon, you have Walmart gift card. Choose either one of these. You usually get your payment within 2 days. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times it's the same day, just depends on what day you cash out. But for me, I'm gonna do PayPal. So I'm gonna click on PayPal. And sometimes like they'll show you information, it'll pop up. So let me put it down here. You see right there, cash out now via PayPal. And actually it didn't. It just gives me that notice right there. Please allow 72 hours for the funds. So, 3 days. But like I said, it usually comes before then. And, I got $25 and I think 88 cents on the way. So I can continue to do my survey here. Like I said, never getting disqualified. You see there, my lifetime earnings $104.02. I haven't been using it that long. I'm probably going up over a year now. So I've just been using it here and there. But like the last, I would say the couple months, I've really taken it more seriously because my trade score is at 10,000. So now I'm getting more and more surveys, which is like every time I complete one, they want to give me another one because, the trade score means they can trust you. So they're going to give this more surveys to the people that they can trust. So, it doesn't matter what your trade score is, that you're going to still qualify for the survey. I just want to make that known. So I highly recommend you guys sign up for this site. The link to it is in the description. Sign up, create an account, and get paid doing these surveys, y'all. I think when you first start out, they're going to give you like 3-4 surveys because they want to get your demographics all together. So, you're going to walk out, as soon as you sign up, with at least, a few cents in your pocket. What I mean, like anywhere between 50 cents to $1, just depending on, how many surveys they give you in the beginning. So like I said, sign up for it. The link is in the description. Subscribe to my channel because I'm always showing you guys how to make money completely free online. Like, share, all that good stuff. And, get started today. Link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.